Hey guys, Jared bringing back here again with another quick little tech tip, and this is something I think is kind of neat, something I just discovered. There's been a lot of times where maybe I've had like I needed to get something from a textbook, and I wanted to put it on my Google Drive, or I wanted to have like an online version so I could share it through Google Classroom. Well, there's kind of an easy way to do that. It used to be the normal way is go to the copy machine, scan it, email it back to yourself, all that stuff. But actually, there's an easier method of doing this if you have a smartphone. You can download the Google Drive app, and what I wanted to show you here is basically how you could do that. All right, so you'd open up the Google Drive app on your phone once you download it, and of course you go to your drive and you can see all your files there. But if you hit that little plus button there on the screen, you're going to then see it'll access your camera, and then I can look at whatever document I want to take a picture of, and I can take a picture of that document. All right, and once I take a picture of the document, it'll say, are you okay with that picture? And then you can say you're going to use it. All right, so once you do all that, then you can come back here to Google Drive. Now here in Google Drive, of course, you're going to see here is that image that I just took. Here's the this new file thing. Now the cool thing is, of course, I can just open it up as the picture itself, and you can look at the picture and everything, and maybe share that with your students. But let's say, for instance, this is an excerpt from Thomas Paine from Common Sense. I want to be able to have that text. A cool thing you can do is right-click on this picture. And here it says open with. Go ahead and say you're going to open it with Google Docs. All right, so when you open it with Google Docs, it's going to automatically try to scan that image and look for any text in there and then translate it into a Google document, so that way then you can edit it. Now the nice thing is, as soon as it gets done translating it here, it'll actually put the picture at the top, so you can kind of compare and see how it actually did with bringing the text over. So if you give it a second here, you're going to see there is the image at the top of the page. Give it a second here to load up. But then down here below, you see here is, okay, so there's our image that we took. Down here below is its transcription of it. All right, so again, all I really wanted was that Thomas Paine excerpt right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all this other stuff that it thought it saw. And, I might, see a few little things there that need to be fixed in the document as I read through it. So again, you'd want to read through it and then see, was there anything there that you wanted to change. So I'm going to get rid of all these little extra things that they saw in the image. I'm actually going to get rid of the image itself, and then I will change the size of the text. And there I've got something now that I can share with my students, have them read that, and I didn't have to do a bunch of scanning and a bunch of everything. It just basically came over when I took that picture and then had Google Classroom turn it into text. I'm sorry, not Google Classroom, Google Drive turn it into text. So anyway, I thought it was kind of a cool little tool there. Hopefully that's something maybe you might, think about using the Google Drive app on your phone to easily scan textbook pages or whatever, or written text that you want to be able to share online over into a digital format. Okay, thanks a lot.